Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Android camera on OBS. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. First things first, make sure you have Arian webcam on your PC and also on your Android phone. You can install this on the Google Play Store. And also you can install Arian webcam on its website. So now, on our Android, let's go ahead and open it. Then tap continue. And just wait for a moment. And that's it. Now, what we need to do is go to OBS. Then, we just have to right click on it, click on add, then video capture device. You can also rename it, and once you rename it, you can go ahead and click on OK. In a drop down menu, you can choose Arian webcam, then hit OK. You can also resize this by dragging the dots to expand this on the entire screen of your OBS. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.